Have you ever heard the expression, sleeping with the enemy? Well, we actually do sleep with the enemy, and most of the time we don't even know it. Mites are extremely small bugs that live in our mattresses, pillows, and bed sheets. Even though they are tiny, mites can cause immeasurable damage to people's health. They attack your respiratory system and cause extreme allergic reactions. Since they feed on dead skin cells, they live in places close to a food source, like our mattresses, pillows, curtains, stuffed animals, and as well as other places. In order to avoid mites and keep them from multiplying, here are some steps you can take. Always air out your house. Put your mattresses and pillows in the sun. Wash the clothes that you haven't worn in a while. Change your sheets every week. Use a mattress pad and pillowcase at all times. Another easy way to get rid of mites is by using this easy-to-make home remedy. It will clean your mattress and make it smell nice, as well as removing all stains and mites. Ingredients: 250 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 10% solution, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, a few drops of liquid soap or dish detergent. Instructions: mix the peroxide with the baking soda until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Next, add 2 or 3 drops of liquid soap or dish detergent and mix again. Pour the liquid in an empty spray bottle. Shake it gently and spray it on your mattress. If there are stains, saturate those areas. When the foam dries, air dries, or with a fan, remove the excess product with a brush or vacuum cleaner. It is important to use the mixture as soon as you make it, so it doesn't lose its cleaning integrity. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.